Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a repository and preparing your local machine. First, sign in and create a new repo, choose public or private and add a README so others see intent. Once done, install Git and set user, name and user. Email so commits attribute properly. Then clone the repo with git clone origin, change into the folder, and make your first file. This ensures a linked remote and local workspace, which makes collaboration and backups work as intended. Now you move into daily workflow by using branches and clear commits. You create a branch for a feature or fix because branches keep main clean and let you experiment safely. Make small, focused commits with descriptive messages so reviewers understand why. Once ready, push the branch to origin and open a pull request. During review, address comments, add commits, and rebase or merge as instructed. This keeps history readable and reduces conflicts when multiple people change the same. To finish the task, merge your pull request after approvals and pass checks. Choose merge, squash, or rebase based on project rules because each affects history differently. Once merged, delete the feature branch both remotely and locally to keep the repo tidy. If things go wrong, like merge conflicts, fetch the latest, rebase or merge locally, resolve conflicts in the editor, test, and then push. Make sure to communicate in the PR comments so reviewers know what you changed and why.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.